So today we are on a really small garage conversion, what we got from doing the other garage conversion last month. So let me bring you into the job and I'll show you what we're going to be doing. So quite simply, we have a brand new window over there, which is 1200. They're just going to be toothing out the bricks marked with an X. We have got a stone sill to match all the existing property going in around this area here. So that's going to come all the way across. We've just loaded out all of the blocks and Jake has got on all of the ties. So we're going to start doing the block work first. We've just sent one of the lads to go sort out some drainage and some ACOs. This is right in the way of where we're going to be laying our brickwork. So this is coming up. We're putting a concrete mix in place of it, and the other lad is going to dig around and sort out the drainage and things like that to reconnect everything tomorrow and install new ACO drains all the way along. So the opening we currently have is 2 meters, 255 millimeters. Now, to match the upstairs window so everything is symmetrical, what we're going to be doing is toothing all the way in and installing a brick and a half up to the window reveal. So that's just making sure that that actually works bond engaged, because you don't want 3/4 all the way up. So we've got 1800, which is where our window is. I've given it 5 mil, I'll probably give it 10. And then you can see how it works 2 bricks to this here, and this all works bond as well. So it will just be a case of splitting that difference, putting a brick on this side and a brick over on that side. But you'll see that in a little while. So I'm going to get stuck in, start toothing out.
Wish I could wear peace like this shirt on my back, then give it away whenever somebody...
Right, we've just toothed out everywhere, or at least done the cuts for all our tooths. Like I said earlier, the brickwork's actually going all the way up, so it's coming out a brick from this one, or a brick and a half from these halves. So we're going to wham all these out. Jake's just thrown a mix on, perfect. I'm going to start laying. He can probably start taking out the rest of these tooths. Shouldn't take too long. I'm not going to say what time I'll finish today, because who knows, but it should be a really nice job. So we're going to get stuck in. It's just gone 23 minutes past 9, so stuck in for the day.
Truck, a cute girl in shorts shaking her butt, drinking moonshine till the sun comes up.
Well, it's doing 4 courses plus a split. Some block work all the way up here, coming out like half a block.
Just look pretty. I got dirty.
Oh, nice. One. Oh well, can't be onto a winner all the time. Oh, we both know that, don't we? So you can't be onto a winner all the time. We both know that. Bucket of compo, please. In she goes. Ah. Alright, don't worry about giving it a turn. If it's alright, it's alright.
You got a name that I don't remember it. Tell me now, how does it feel to take a dose of your own?
Sam, so we've sent up the blockwork 4 courses, or 900 mil, that's here. I've just sent up this little blockwork nib. Our brickwork's going to be coming to there, and our window is going to be starting there. Now, we have run out of blocks. Luckily, the person who we're doing the job for is going to go get us some more blocks, whether that be today or tomorrow. But for now, we are leaving that side. We have also just set out our tray. I don't know if I spoke about it earlier. But we've got a drive running all the way down here, so water will want to hit this brickwork, even though we're going to put a brand new ACO in. So we've got a tray slightly higher up, so the weep holes are going to be coming out 225mm from finished floor level. We'll also run a couple 100mm trays on the brickwork just to mitigate any damp. He's sneezing.
Sorry, tried holding it in.
So yeah, we'll be running a couple 100mm trays out. But for now, I'm going to quickly point the front and back of this blockwork, throw a concrete mix on, sort all that out, and then we'll be flying with the old brickwork. So we've got one side fully toothed out, ready to go. I've poured the concrete base here. Now the ACO's are already on concrete, so that's perfect. I'm toothing out this little section here, and Jake's about to throw on a compo mix so we can start pulling this through nicely. All we got to do is corner block on from point A to point B and send it all the way up. So we shouldn't be too bad, but time is, what time is it? Oh, almost 12, time's ticking on. I've just traced out my bond like we always do on a garage conversion, and this one works perfectly with no cuts. So we've finally toothed that. I've got young Jake, he's just thrown a bit of compo on the spot board for me. It's like 12 o'clock, 3 minutes past 12, so it'll be nice to try and get this wrapped up today, but we don't know if we will, but we'll try our best. So we've got a 100mm cavity for the insulation to go in between the blockwork and brickwork. All our ties are in, tooths are done, ready to rock and roll. You excited for go-karting then over the weekend? I'm buzzing, you know. I'm excited to go out with you.
I'm not scared of like the actual driving, but I really don't want to cause a crash.
Can I just have a couple of weep holes? I need 3, please. They are knocking about. I know they are. It's in a tie box drive. Wow. It's always common practice to put it on, right? But 450, see how I've put it like a few quarters higher? Yeah. Because if water hits this, if your weep holes were down there, it could go into the cavity. Yeah. So we've set it up here, but I have to put a 100mm tray just there as well. Yeah. So this is totally tanked and like watertight.
The bricklayer used to use.
Mate, I would say it's new. I mean,
probably should have.
Nah, it's good to use it.
Live in action. My mate Leah were saying he seen me on your YouTube.
Oh, I think it was. Which job was it?
No, it was Snowden.
Oh, was it? No way. Yeah, when we did Snowden. Right. From it, so at least people know what they're getting.
Yeah.
They're getting a great looking lad and a very average bricklayer.
Shall I put another mix straight in? Or...
Yeah, keep it in. Is that okay? We've just gone in with the weep holes. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 brick, then a weep hole, little upstand there, and then you can see another 4 weep hole, another 4 weep hole. But it's that fine line, ain't it, sometimes? I think so, mate. Yeah. So, I'm going to do There you know. Have you watched that documentary about the lad who climbed like all the mountains in like 2 months or something? Yeah, cool that is. Well, throw a little bit of water in that mixer, Jake, and get that turning, because that is horrendous.
Oh, is it that quick?
You want to, so I will point them out. Never is. Nope. We've got our brickwork up to 750. Yes, we've got our brickwork up to 750 here, and now we've had our stone sills get dropped off. Now these are the similar sort of stone sills we was using on the timber frame site. They're 140 mil, 150 mil with a bed joint. Beautiful stones to match the existing property and all the, oh, look at that little stone up there. That looks horrendous. I bet that was 2 offcuts put together. So we've got some lovely stones to match the house, which is perfect. So I've just allowed for the stone to sit up to here, and then we'll have a brick going over. So right now we're going to use our muscles, get these in, and then it's just a case of building our brickwork all the way up there. Perfect. Same on the other side. I tell you what, you seen them as well? I think that's plastic. Have a little tap. Oh, it is plastic. That looks really bad, doesn't it? Mint. Hopefully our brickwork will look nicer than that. Hey, let's have you boys, because this bed's going off already. You know what? I'll be here for moral support. So we're just going to go up and over the line. Don't worry about it. And then down she goes, please. Really good. Not bad. I need to rub it down on this end. It's mainly, obviously we want it bang level for your window. It's how they look though to the eye. Yeah. Oh, it's because the compost just got no feb in it or life in it. Always use your hand as a hammer. So this should be minus 20 mil, so it should be a metre 20. Metre 20. There she goes. Yes, correct. Okay, that looks pretty good. Sorry. Got to be so quick with this compo. And now you just eye it in. So, I mean, that looks perfect to the underside of level. I'm just running ever so slightly high on this side. Like we're talking that under my level. So probably a millimetre. 1, 2, 3. Look, there's no rocking or anything. Yeah, and then all you got to do is range it through. So if you cast your eye here, both of you, whenever you install sills with a perp, you see the rock we've got. Yep. Okay. So ideally, we just need to split that difference. Yeah. There we go. So I'll probably bring that one out ever so slightly. Check what we are here. So 50 mil, 50 mil. So look at that, it's 2 mil off. So that's where that's come from. Amazing. Little tap in the middle. Tap out. Check the face. Literally not even a mil. I'm really happy with that. Mate, that's mint. Really good. Oh, you have to get the sander out, mate. You definitely have to get the sander out. Look at that, just lines through beautifully. Right, time to build the little pillars. So, stone sill went in like an absolute dream. Sometimes when you put these stone sills in, which are separate, you can get a kink, you can get them not very level. So ranging them through so they're bang on level, not rocking, and range them through this way by eye and using a long straight edge, man, works a dream. So got a pillar to send up all the way here, brick and a half. Do the same on that side. Big tidy up. Woo! Out of here, boy.
Loving you makes the stars shine brighter. Yeah. One step closer to the hell. We're warriors, we rule.
Next one, watch this. Line up for me, lad. There she goes. See what I mean by this running down ever so slightly? Yeah. So even though like my line's good there, it's low there. But because I'm toothing into this, I need it to be look right with that, you know what I mean? Line up for me, lad. And just holding the line for me. Cheers, boys, I appreciate it. They're great lads. Whoop. There she goes. Is she going to go in nicely though? That's the question. Go on. Oh, yes. Nice. Not much. Right, there we go. That is this garage conversion pretty much wrapped up. Stone sill went in absolutely beautiful. All the twos went in fantastically. Everything is really symmetrical. So, job done. No.
It's all the same.